What happens when you enter into a room and you are blindfolded? It is an easy equation to understand that let's say that we make you blindfolded and we make you enter a room wherein you are not aware about the surroundings, where the chairs are kept, where the table is, where the other things into the room. You have no idea. And now, when you're entering the room, you are practically visually impaired because you cannot see. So, what will happen? If I give you a task that you have to choose the most comfortable place for yourself to sit, in that case, what will happen? You slowly, gradually take your steps further because you are afraid that you might hit something and injure yourself. And that is why you keep touching the stuff. You touch the first furniture, and then you realize understand what it is, and accordingly you realize whether it is good for you or bad for you. If it is a chair, if you found out a chair, you sit on it, and then you realize it is not comfortable, you have to go to the next one. So when you into a room, you are blindfolded and you have been given a task, and you are facing difficulties to resolve that task, reason being that you cannot see. So isn't it the same thing happen in our life as well? So if you do not have a task and you do not have clear idea how to approach that, you are going to crash it again and again, the same way you are going to crash in that room, because you are blindfolded, because your vision is impaired. The same thing happens in our life. When you do not have a vision, everything which comes your way, you have to try it. You have to try it out, whether it's good for you, it's bad for you. Because there is no clarity, because there is no vision, you do not know where you want to achieve. You do not know what you want to achieve. You do not know what is coming your way. Is it good for you? Is it bad for you? It is always a hit and trial method. And that is how a lot of people, they spend a lot of time in different organizations at different positions, and later on they come back and say, this is not what I expected my life to be. This is not what I meant my career to be. Or this is not where I wanted to be. They are successful, absolutely. They are able to fulfill the needs of their lives, absolutely. But still they do not have that contentment inside, because what has happened is they are blindfolded. Since the beginning of their career, they were blindfolded. They never realized that they have to have a vision. They have to have that clarity to understand what is good for them and what is not. So whatever came their way, they had to try it on to see whether it is good for them or not. So in order to handle it in a better way, the best thing is you get into a room with open eyes, with clear vision. So you can understand, all right, that is not for me, that is for me. So in your life as well, vision is very important. But with vision, you need skills as well. So when I mean to say skills, that means you need to have and learn. You need to learn those skills which will help you to reach that destination which you are thinking of. So if you do not have a vision, if you are not gaining the skills to reach over there, what your life is just a journey wherein you are just accepting what is coming your way. Rather than creating the opportunities for yourself, you're just accepting, trying whether it is good for you or no or not, whatever is coming your way. So that is the lack of control in your career. That is the lack of control in your life. So if you really want things to go your way, you do not have to sit and wait for the opportunity to come, because it may never come. So you have to ensure that you create the environment in a manner that you get the opportunity you want. And that only happens when you take the control from the beginning itself. You create a path for yourself, you create a vision for yourself, and you, with that vision, you start focusing on the skills you need to to get that expertise to move further. Otherwise it's just like a journey. You're just accepting what is coming your way, and later on you are going to feel it that this is not where you want it to be. So think about your career, think about your choices, think about what you really want, and accordingly start developing your path your way, so that you get the opportunities you want in life, not what life throws at you.